After entering the login credentials of the hotel, click on to Front Office Management System. Select Reception. Under that, click Reservation for the reservation process. The reservation page pops up. Under Guest Information and Tariff Details, enter the number of days, departure date, arrival time, departure time, number of guests, number of rooms, and room type. Now enter the necessary guest details like their mobile number, their name, their address and city. After entering the guest information and tariff details, click on to Other Details. Under Other Details, click the Save option. The reservation has been done successfully. You can either print or view the GRC acceptance tariff. And now, a confirmation notification will be sent to the guest. Thank you.